Hi everybody, I'm doing another solar power test here. I got a new microwave. It's a low powered 600 watt unit. It takes about approximately 980 watts AC. Inside I have a little chicken with cheese that's supposed to melt, a little pop pocket kind of thing. I'm gonna try to cook that. I've got a Giandel 2200 watt pure sine wave inverter, and I'm going to run this on full power for this unit. So let's just start it up. And now it's cooking. And the battery's down to 12.5. It's late at night. I'm getting about 96 amps DC. I've been doing some testing, so I ran the battery down a bit, but it's getting about 96 amps DC. The battery's down to 12.4. When you turn it off, it goes back to well over 13. But we're running full power for this 600 watt microwave. And there's my SOK battery. It's only running off of one battery. I have a second one sitting here, which is not plugged into the system. Those wires go to a charge control. In the daytime, I just flip them out, swap them out, and then I will use the same controller for both batteries. I just alternate the charging. At any rate, this thing is cooking. 96 amps DC. And I was only supposed to cook it about a minute or so, and I'm sure I'm over the minute. I didn't set it properly. So let's go turn it off. And let's open her up. And let's see what's going on in here. You gotta be careful, these things get pretty hot. But you can see that the cheese is melted. Yeah. The cheese is melted and it's ready to go. It's really hot. Oh yeah, it's really hot. So I guess this was a successful test for the little solar system off the battery and the 2200 watt inverter. And that was my first real test for running a microwave off of an SOK 100 amp hour lithium battery and my 2200 watt inverter. So, successful test.